Okay, we failed on step 24 with the external charger. So I want to go back. I'm going to press the stop button and go back to test 23. But to do that for test 23, I had to have the cable plugged into the robot. So I'll plug this one back in so I get a pass on test 23. I'll go back now by hitting the spot button. You need to get passes on all of them. If you go backwards and then fail it, then that'll fail the overall test once you go forward, even if you pass it the first time. So now we'll go to test 24 to go forwards, dock. Okay, now we remove this plug it in to the base. And now we get a pass. Then we press the dock again. Test 29, the RF, there's no test there, that's only for the 780, and that's how it talks to the lighthouses or your mum's 560. And then we get all these results here. I'll just turn the camera off. So you get all these are like the end results. You can then just right click up the top and go copy all to clipboard, minimize that. Then we can go to our directory on our laptop, create a file, 11, because that's the robot number, 11 text, open it up, paste, and then up the top I usually put the date, 16th of the 10th, 16, and just put it to that I did it, and it was for a 6:30. And if I search now for fail, I should only find that fail down here. Anyway, I only got the one fail here. So that's all, Johnny. Hope you've enjoyed my first video, and I bid you farewell.